Hi everyone. I want to give you a little bit of information on readworks.org and how ReadWorks is going to work as part of our online course that you will be working with. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to www.readworks.org, and this link will be part of your Google Classroom link, so you'll be able to find it through Google Classroom. From there, you will see this screen. When you click on I'm a student, what's going to happen is they're actually going to ask you to log in using your Google, or you're going to enter your class code. You have to do one of the two to be able to be in the class. For our purposes, what you're going to do is you're going to enter the class code, because if you just log in with Google, I won't be able to see your information. So the class code is going to be this right here, and I'm going to have that also in your Google Classroom. So if you forget the code, this is what it is. It's 3B as in boy, Q, T, D, 6. And if you forget that, like I said, it's going to be in the Google Classroom for you. So when you get logged in, what you're actually going to see is going to look slightly different from this. This is my teacher screen, but what you're going to look for is assignments, and you'll be able to see the various assignments that I have listed. Now, of course, you won't be able to see the class results because those are hidden for me, but you will be able to see the assignments themselves. Each assignment is going to come with a grade level and a Lexile level, and they will be a combination of informational text or literature depending on what type of information it is. One of the things that you'll notice is that there's going to be a mixture of history, geography, science, social sciences, literary, narrative fiction. The things that you will see in ReadWorks will actually cover several of our main topics that you're going to want to cover for the HiSET, but it also will help you with reading and comprehension. So for example, this article, American Women in World War II, is considered to be a U.S. history, world history topic, and it's a social studies, but it also is going to help you with reading and comprehension. So I'm going to go into this article. It's grade 9 through 12. The Lexile level is 1390L. So I'm going to click on this article, and this is not what I wanted us to see. Okay, here it is. I'm going to click on the article. Here is the article right here. And then with this, there's also going to be a set of vocabulary words that may help you as you're reading through this. And there's also going to be a question set. The question set is something that you will answer for each one of these, and you're seeing it from the teacher perspective right now. So the things that they like to ask are specific recall information type questions, such as how many women served in the U.S. Armed Forces during World War II. But they also like to ask questions like, what is the main idea of this text? So there are a lot of different types of questions that they can ask. Another one, this is asking a question about the text, but then they want you to support the conclusion with evidence from the text. So based on just this particular reading, what you're going to have is you're going to have questions that ask you to recall information, such as question number 1, questions that ask you to be able to support an answer with evidence from the text, such as number 2, and questions like, what is the main idea of this text? These things are going to help you not only with the reading portion of your test, of your HiSET test, but they will also help you with the writing portion, because one of the things that you will need to do for the writing portion of your test whenever you get ready to write your essay is you will be supporting your conclusion that you are drawing on your essay. You will be supporting that with evidence from the text that they have you read. In addition, you're going to learn some history information and some science information just from the various articles. Because, like I said before, some of the articles will cover things like world geography, world history, societies. Other articles will cover things like health and safety or technology and engineering. So there are a lot of things in here that will be really good information for you to help you try and learn more about the different topics that you may be tested on. Here is a topic, the Declaration of Independence. It's U.S. History Social Studies, grade 9 through 12. And when you click on Declaration of Independence, what you're going to see is you're going to see the article. But in addition to that,
we hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal, that they are endowed by their Creator with certain unalienable rights, that among those are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. That to secure these rights, governments are instituted among men, deriving their just powers from the consent of the governed, that whenever any form of government becomes destructive of these ends.
So each one of these articles is also going to come with a narrative so that you can actually listen to what is on the page in addition to or instead of reading it. And for some of you, that may be a better approach for this than just straight reading the particular subject. And then again, there's going to be vocabulary attached to each one of your articles. So if I look at another assignment, I'm going to look at how to make a better robot, and I'm going to look at the article, and here's the article, and then again there's going to be a recording.
Many people think that robots are an inevitable part of the future. It would be pretty cool to have a droid friend around to save the day, or even just the...
There's also a set of vocabulary and a question set that comes with this. Now this question set is multiple choice, and at the end you'll have some written answer questions. The way all of this will be scored for you is you will get a score automatically on each of the multiple choice questions, and then your teacher will actually go in and score the written answer questions, but you will be gaining time for each article that you work on, and you'll be gaining time for correct answers and for the essay type questions that you'll be doing also. So this is, again, readworks.org, and the way you're going to log in is you're going to enter your class code here and then click continue. Your class code is right here, and you'll also be able to find it on the Google Classroom, because this is one of the ways that we are going to keep up with your work and with your hours, and it's also a way that we're going to help you so that you will be working on that reading and comprehension, and also on your science, social science, world geography, U.S. history, all of those various skills as you're working through this program. If you run into any problems with either logging in or getting the program to actually run once you get everything going, you need to let us know so that your administrator will be able to help you log in and get your username and password set up. So this is www.readworks.org.